In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain on Google Sites fast and easy. This process is pretty straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have your custom domain linked to your Google site in no time. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Sites. You can simply search for Google Sites in your preferred web browser, and it should be the first link that pops up. Once you're on the Google Sites page, click on it to get started. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so with the Google account that you use for your site. Now that you're in Google Sites, you'll see a list of your sites on your dashboard. Go ahead and select the site you want to associate with your custom domain. Just click on it to open up the site editor. Once you're inside the site editor, locate the settings icon. This typically looks like a little gear in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click, and it will open up the settings menu. In this menu, you'll find various options related to your site's configuration. One of these options is labeled Custom Domains. Go ahead and click on that option. This is where you will be able to link your custom domain to your Google site. Next, in the Custom Domains section, look for a button that says Connect Domain. Clicking this button will prompt Google Sites to ask for the domain you currently own. So, type in the domain name that you've purchased from your domain registrar. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any errors during the connection process. After entering your custom domain, click on the Next button to proceed. Google Sites will then guide you through the verification process to ensure you own the domain you're trying to connect. Typically, this will require you to update a DNS record at your domain registrar. Instructions for this step can differ depending on who you registered your domain name with. So be sure to refer to their specific instructions if needed. That's all there is to it. Once everything's verified and the DNS updates have taken effect, your custom domain will be connected, and you can access your Google site using that new URL. Remember that DNS changes can sometimes take a bit of time to propagate, so it might not work immediately. Give it some time, and you should see it working seamlessly. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your custom domain to your Google site. This should give your site a more professional look and make it more memorable for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.